What is going what's going on? I got a big head. What is going on, YouTube? We're back at it again with another great install video. Well, this today will not be an install video, but like I said earlier in my last two videos before, that we did get some paint chipping on the fender roll on the right side of the 350Z, and today we're going to be fixing that by painting it and making sure it doesn't spread, because it's been trying to spread for these last couple of weeks. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video at the end, and hit that subscribe button, please. It helps me make more videos as more people watch, and it continues to also encourage me to continue making these videos. Good. Anyways, back with the video again. So like I was saying earlier, today we are going to be anyways, back again, because stuff keeps happening here. I don't know why, but we're gonna lift the car up. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be using. So far, I got an Advanced Auto Parts complimentary magazine to wrap the car so we don't get overspray everywhere. Second off, we got some masking tape for the, what's the word? We got masking tape for the magazine to tape around the areas that we need taped. And last but not least, we bought some paint. It's not perfectly paint match, but it's going under inside the fender, so you won't really be able to see it. It doesn't really matter as much either way, it is was black at the moment. Well, black under it, I guess, whatever they use to coat it, but we'll just be painting it blue, so it'll be blue all the way around. I guess it'll look a little bit better. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started and start seeing if we have to sand anything. Hopefully not. I don't really want to do that. It's a lot of work, and that means we'd have to go back to the store. And as you can see, Asa, who's also with us today in today's video, is working on getting off all that crud that's, you know, stuck on the side skirt, or if you guys like to call it, the rocker panel. So he's gonna be working on that today with he just took the okay. This is why you should get your car painted and not wrapped. You see that? You guys see that? Where's that? Paint. Well, first things first.
Most likely gonna stand that side.
True. First things first, let's get this car jacked up and get these wheels off. So yeah, let's do that. All right, let's go ahead and start taking these bad boys off. If you guys want lug nuts like this, go to 6speed.com. I'll put a link in my description at the bottom below. But yeah, get these guys off real easy. Take off the spikes first, then you of course are gonna go at it with either whatever you have, an impact gun or a good old wrench. I think you guys call it wrench. I always get the names for tools mixed up, so hope you guys don't kill me. I'm sorry in advance. Alright, now that the car is jacked up, let's go ahead and continue taking off the rest of these bad boys. I don't know what to tell y'all, but this is useful. Look at that. Easy as pie. Alright, well, now that the wheel's off, we're gonna go and put our focus on what I was telling you guys earlier, which is right above here. If you guys can see it. You guys can see the chipping in here. And that's a no-no. So Asa made me cut the papers. I didn't want to do this to them. They've been cut, but he is starting to mask it all the way off. We'll show you guys the finished product afterwards. Alright, your goal here is going to be, man, come on camera, is going to be to not tape past the crack marks. Ace has been prying some of them off, because if you paint over, it's just going to do the same thing. You wanted to have a bond with it as if it was glue, so it doesn't spread. So the goal here is to pretty much try to get this tape, but don't tape past the crack mark, so when you paint over it, you'll have something for it to bond to. And when you do that, you'll be good. Good to go.
Came out really liquidy.
Yeah. Still needs to be stirred up some. Alright, I'm scared. Go for it. Ooh, ooh.
Just let that sit for a minute.
And if you're wondering why we have the newspaper like this instead on the car, so it won't spray everywhere else and mess up the paint job of the entire car. Alright, I think this is gonna be our last coat. Of blue. Blur. It's a Mustang. Our wheel is back on. Car has the paint in there, and we are pretty much done. We want to do some increase my bumper fitment, but we're gonna make that for another video. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching and everything that you guys do, watching my videos. I've been having like sort of a slump because of my channel is not really getting where I want to, but I appreciate the comments. I've been looking and reading them, and it's been giving me motivation, and there's definitely some new stuff on the way for you guys. Don't know how I'm gonna get it done, but in the name of God, we will have everything done and everything right in our pleasure and in His way. So we just wanted to let you guys know that, and I really thank you guys. But thank you for watching. Hope you guys subscribe to the next. Well, hope you guys watch the next videos coming in store. Hit a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ace is out. And as he's out, I'm out. So, peace.
Cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come